I'm Natsumi with fitYOGAfit. Today's episode is Yoga to Burn Fat. Let's begin. Stand up, nice and tall. Open your legs about your hip distance. Inhale, hug one elbow. Exhale, stretch to your left and gaze up toward the ceiling. Make sure both feet pressing down on the mat. Soften your shoulders. Try to enjoy the stretch on the side of your body. Keep your hips square. And kneecaps pull up. Engage your calves. Engage your hamstring. Engage your quadriceps. And release. Inhale, arms up. Grab one elbow and exhale, stretch to the side. And your gaze up. Inhale, exhale, make sure to breathe. Exhale, connect both heels down. And release. Open your legs wide as if you are going to do warrior two. One toes pointing to your side. Back toes 45-degree in. Inhale, open your legs, bend your knee. One. Let's do 10 times. 2. Bend straight. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Release. Inhale. Now turn back toes in, front toes straight. Open wide your arms, shoulder blades together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And release. Now again, this time, palms pointing, facing toward the ceiling. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And other side. 1, 2. Keep your arms up. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And relax. Okay, now keep your hips square. Back toes down. Back heel up. And we're gonna do lunge. Ready? 10 times. From straight knee to bend your knee. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now change other side. Hands on your hip. Make sure to keep your hips square. Back heel up and bend front knee deep. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And change. Back toes, back heel up. Keep hip square, bend front knee, squat. Now, extend your arm, palms up, and circle your arm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now reverse circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now palms down. Circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now change this to the other side. Square hips, back heel up, bend front knee over your toes, and extend your arms, palms up, 10 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now palms down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. Okay. Again, other side. Lunge pose, back heel up, bend from knee, about 90-degree angle. And from here, stretch your arms and tilt your upper body, 45-degree angle, and keep there. 2, 3, heel to tip of your finger straight. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And now release. Change other side. Back heel up, square hip, bend front knee, 90-degree angle. Extend your arm. And from here, heel to the tip of your fingers, crown, one diagonal line. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Relax. Good. Okay. From here, turn. Palms down. And pointing front toes, 45-degree angle, like a lizard pose. And from here, we're gonna do hopping, okay, 10 times. And every time, alternate your legs. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's do 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. Very good. Sit down. Let's take a pause. 5 deep breaths to catch your breath. 1, 2. Okay, are you ready? Let's take a plank pose. And from here, make sure heel to crown one line. Engage your core. Palm heel underneath your shoulders. And lift up your right leg. And hold 10 count. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good, guys. Let's do other side. Lift up other leg. 1, 2, 3. Stay with me. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Relax. Relax. Shake your arms. Release any tension. Relax, relax, relax. And let's circle your shoulder. And reverse. Okay, let's move back to the plank pose. Heel to climb one line. From here, I want you to hop. Open, close, open, close. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. Okay, now let's bring one knee down. Make sure palm heel down underneath your shoulders. And then from here, we are going to do lift up as one leg. And then try to bring chin down like this. Okay? And if this is too much, feel free to bring both knees down. And then, yes, you can try to bring your chin down to the mat, but this is good. Like a little bit bending elbow. Both knees down, bending elbow. This way, okay? Either way, bringing both knees down. Or if you want to have more challenge, you can bring one leg lifting up and try to touch your chin to the ground. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Change. Ready? Lift the other leg. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. Okay. Let's sit down. Inhale. And exhale. Let's cultivate Ujjayi breath. Inhale through the nose. And out through the nose. Okay. Palms together. Close your eyes. This sequence is designed to burn a lot of calories. I recommend you do it every other day. Also, make sure to subscribe to my channel and select the bell option to get notified of my future videos. See you soon!